Fishing vessel, Captain Billy Haver to the Coast Guard. Fishing vessel, Captain Billy Haver to the Coast Guard.
Vessel calling Coast Guard sector southeast on channel 16. Vessel calling Coast Guard sector southeast on channel 16.
Anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Vessel calling Coast Guard sector southeast on channel 16. Go ahead, Captain.
This is a fishing vessel, Captain Billy Haver. Can anybody hear me? Yes.
Captain Billy Haver, you come in. Yeah, loud and clear.
Can anybody hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Captain Billy Haver, you come in.
Fishing vessel, Captain Billy Haver to the Coast Guard.
Captain.
Captain, go ahead. This is the Coast Guard.
Fishing vessel calling the Coast Guard. The Coast Guard's replying.
Captain Billy Haver, you pick me up. Channel 16.
Yeah, I read them loud and clear from 40 degrees, 36 north, 69, 47 west.
Captain Billy Hager, this is the Maersk Kensington, channel 16. Go ahead.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday.
Vessel distress, Coast Guard sector southeast on channel 16. What is your position and age of distress?
What do you got? Fishing vessel, Captain Billy Haver. Can anybody hear me?
Vessel distress, Coast Guard sector southeast on channel 16. What is your position and age of distress?
We have a man gone crazy here on the boat, man. My position is 40.24 north, 069 west 27. 069.27 west. Can anybody hear me?
Roger, Captain. I have 40.24 north, 069.27 west. How many persons are on board your vessel?
Roger, we have one man. I don't know if he's dead or what, but one of the crew members went crazy, and he started hitting people in the head with a hammer. I got 3 men that's injured right now. One, I can't wake him up. I don't know if he's dead or not, but I got the man that's on top he's on the rigging. Right now he's on the rigging. Now he's already cut the antennas or something off.
Yeah, 2 Dukes.
I got
Captain, Roger, good copy on all. Can I get a description of your vessel, the length, the make, the color?